Okay, this video will make showing how to adjust the cutter lifting distance. Because for the cutting material, it has different thickness. Someone is very thin, someone is very thick. So we can set up the lifting distance as per the material thickness by this window. Okay, when this set up 0, that means the cutter will lift maximum to the z-axis sensor. It's traveling the maximum distance. So when we cut the thinner material, we can set up this as per our material thickness. For example, if my material is 1 millimeter, I can set up 5 or a little bigger. Okay, so we can checking this. Okay, in order to show it clearly, we can just keep it 0. We can see the result firstly. Okay, now I can load the cutting program to the machine by the software. Okay, so we can check this lighter size. This one is 100 millimeter. This size is 24 millimeter. Okay. Now, before we send the cutting drawing, we need to set up the cutter tag. Okay. We select this one. Select all of them and select number 4 because the cutter on our machine is SP4. Okay. We select this one, so it changes into the same color as the pen number 4. Okay. Okay, when it is ready, I press the download button. Okay, now we can go back to the machine. Here it shows receive completed. That means our cutting program already go to the machine. Okay, next one we will press this one. Yeah, and we can set the cutting 0 place. Okay, for example, I want to check this place as set 0. Okay, I just press this button, press the set 0. Okay, here set 0 succeed. I press this button to make a test and see the material size is big enough or not. Okay. Okay, and then we think it's okay. Then we can start the vacuum pump and press this button with cutting. So we can see for the lifting distance, it by traveling by the maximum distance. Okay. Because we don't use this cover, so the letter come. Next time we will use this one to make a new test. Okay, now we will install this cover to the height. Make sure this screw and feed here is a groove. Yeah, we can feed here. Yeah, and this screw feed this one. When you install the cutter, we must make sure all hand shouldn't be at the bottom of this cover. It's very dangerous. Okay, so we can just like this one. Yeah, like this. Okay, and during the cutting, we also noted the cutting speed, traveling speed is very slower, so we can increase the cutting speed faster. Okay. 直接停。 Okay, now we can increase the cutting speed a little here. We can select this page and check here. For our letters, we have some small circle. Here has limited diameter 20 millimeter. When the circle is less than this, it will use this speed, small one, 30. So we can increase a little faster. For example, 80. Okay, and this one a little bigger, 100. We can make a test. Okay, and then we come back and do another test. Okay, now I will find a new cutting place. Can do a slower speed. We just use XY control button to move the cutter head, find a new place. Okay. We can set the 0. Yeah. Okay. Now we will start the vacuum pump and close the other area and to let this area have a bigger suction pressure. Okay. There. And press this button. Now we check the cutting result. Okay, for last cutting video, we can see the cutter lifting distance is very big, so we can make an adjustment. Because we use a 0, we set up 0. The cutter will lift the maximum distance. Since our material is very thin, so we can just set up 2 or 3 will be okay. Okay, we can set up here 3 millimeter. Okay, so in this way, it will be save the time, save the cutting time. Okay, now we do a new cutting showing. Okay, and we can move the head to a new place. Okay. After we move the cutter head to the new place by these buttons, and we press this button to set the new 0. Okay, when we press this one here, show size 0 succeed, we can press this button to run the cutting box and see the material size is okay or not. Okay. Okay, it's okay. We can start the vacuum pump. Check here. Okay, close this area. And just open this area, okay? Come back here, press repeat cutting. So we see It lift is a very small distance. It increase cutting speed. Okay.